What is up, guys? Today's one of those days that the universe tested me. It was just one of those days where I felt tired, I didn't want to do it. But just like what I've been saying when I'm in high spirits, to just push through no matter what, that won't really mean anything unless we actually push through when we feel weak. The dream that we signed up for will not come easy, and these days are just part of the game. Through conquering these obstacles is how we show the universe that we truly deserve what we are aiming for. And these are the days that we will look back on and be proud of after we finally reached our dream. Don't listen to how you feel today, but remember what you thought yesterday. Yesterday I signed up to work today, so that's what I'm going to do. And remember what you will think tomorrow if you don't work today. So instead of setting myself up for regret, today we are entering day 12 of hunting for our dreams every day. Another thought that I had in mind when I didn't feel like doing the work is to remember how far we've come. How far we've come in just 12 days. Not all of those days I felt like doing work, but we couldn't be here if I didn't push through those days. And if we didn't push through those days, we might not have grown strong enough to push through today. So every tough day is a challenge that we have to overcome, because it's only going to get harder from here. It only makes sense, because after you've grown strong enough to conquer a challenge, it won't challenge you anymore. So the next time you really do face a challenge after you've grown means that that challenge is bigger and it will require you to work harder. So let's see these days as an opportunity to prepare ourselves for worse days to come. Today was just a tough day. It was impossible to get the motivation to get out of bed. It was impossible to get downstairs, and it was overwhelming, the amount of work that we have to do. But we just got started on doing something. We threw out some trash and that just built a little bit of momentum. But every single thing that we did, we hit a roadblock. Screws were not going in, they kept falling. Straps were falling. Everything just seemed like it was against us. But that's okay, because we pushed through and we're here now. What seemed to be impossible is very, very doable. Today I ran the wiring for the outlets in the kitchen and in the dining room, and for the dishwasher. That's pretty much it. Instead of speeding up the video every single time, now I'm just going to keep it at normal speed and just let the people who want to watch it through. And remember, no matter how you feel, don't give up. See you guys tomorrow.